Hello everyone and welcome back to my new channel, and in this channel I am going to talk about my professional knowledge. So I am working as a BI professional and I have over the period of time gained a lot of knowledge related to that. And as I can see and you must also be hearing a lot from around that there is a huge scope, and also there is a lot of scope in data. So analyzing the data is something which you would be really interested in, because this is the key, and data is also known as to be the currency of the new world, as well as the oil of the new world. So it is rightly said by many people, and it is actually the case. So why generally they do speak like this, I will let you know. So in this video I am going to express my views on the power that data has. I'll take you few years back, जहाँ पर where you would be getting a lot of suggestions for watching different YouTube videos. So now you keep on watching a few, and over the period of time your entire feed gets converted and you are not getting any other suggestion than what you are really interested in. So how does this happen? Due to data analytics. So next is also a similar situation or similar example, wherein you go to buy something on any website. For example, we go on Amazon. So we are like searching for something, and uh, we have purchased that. We have also, apart from that, looked into various other variants of the same thing or some other competitors. So now Amazon asks you for other suggestions related to that. So that can be either some similar things or something which is like coming as an accessories to that. So suppose you have purchased a camera, so you would be suddenly started to getting some suggestions related to ring lights or some suggestions related to tripod. So how does this go? So they would generally say that the other customers who have purchased this product, they are also interested in purchasing this, or something like this, that the other customers who have purchased this have also had a look on this. So this is also a kind of analysis which we generally do on based upon the data. So also they would be keep on, like nowadays Amazon is also suggesting that based upon your older purchases, large size or medium size would be a perfect suit for you. It is known as a lot like data analytics actually. And now initially this data was like analyzed on a larger basis and on a summary basis now, but nowadays it has been seen that this data is being used for profiling as well, and on a personal basis. So it would be giving an exact suggestion for you which you must be interested in, or even if you're not like right now interested in, but in future you might be interested in. So this is happening with the help of data. So this is why it is said that data has a huge potential, and over the period of time these organizations or companies, they turn up like selling more because of the power data has. So I guess this would be very much interesting for you to know, and similar examples will be there. I'll be sharing in future also with you, like over the period of time. So what are the different data analytics tools and how you should go ahead with the entire process of data analytics, I'll be sharing with you into my upcoming videos. So my channel is basically based on providing you a basic approach to data analytics, including all the 8 different steps which are basically very necessary for analyzing your data. And there are different formats and there are different of this data analytics, like BI, which I am actually also working on. So that is also something which I'll be discussing more, and the tools which are being used for data analytics. And there are certain streams like you can say AI, ML, and data science, which are associated streams. Generally, most of the times they are getting confused with data analytics. So there is a lot of difference between them, but they are actually augmenting each other. So this is something which we are also going to cover, and over the course, and I hope that it goes a really long way, and then we will be covering a lot more into like similar field. So this is all about my channel, and the first video I'll be sharing from now is how to start the data analytics if you are really interested, and how you should approach the entire process. Like, what is the data on, like, you encounter with data in on a daily basis, how, where is, like, on a day basis you can apply data analytics in your like, in improving your personal life. So we'll be starting with that, and the tool which I'll start with is ClickView and ClickSense. So basically I'll be focusing more on ClickSense at this point of time, and I'll be providing a lot of tutorials to you, starting from how to install or like get started with a free version of ClickSense, and you can keep on practicing. You'll be getting a free trial version for 30 days. You can get like your hands on that. So this is something which my channel will be covering. So I hope this entire content will be so helpful for you, and you will be enjoying this journey, and you can get yourself a greater hike in expectation into whatever role you are currently in. So I hope this video was helpful, and my channel would prove a little bit more helpful to you. So thank you so much, and share it with your friends. Ask them to join my journey as a BI analyst, as a data analyst. So if they are also interested in, share this video with them and ask them to subscribe. And thank you so much. Bye bye.